Hello everyone, this is Ali Hassan and I am a Erasmus Mundus scholar. My program is Quantitative Economics and my countries of mobility were Italy and France. So right now I am in France and completing my second year of the program. So if you are interested in applying for this scholarship, this is the channel you have to subscribe to and you have to check the videos which I have already uploaded. Also, I am uploading a series of videos which will help you from very scratch. So from today I will be helping you how to select a program, because this is the first step towards applying for this scholarship, and the scholarships has already been open. So if you haven't started apply, so start applying, because the sooner you start, the more time you will have to effectively apply. So let's start and let's see how to check the things first. I have shared my screen, and first of all what you have to do is you have to go and check Erasmus Mundus catalog. In the catalog you will actually find out the scholarships that are available, the programs that are available. So first of all you need to know that in Erasmus Mundus you will not find generalized programs. So for example, you will not find a specialized a major in economics, for example. You will find a specialization of something in economics. So for example, quantitative economics, market financial economics, or something like that. Okay, you will not be doing a generalized degree, for example masters in biology or masters in chemistry or master in economics or master in something else. Rather you will be going and doing some sort of specialization. It can be in market, it can be a nanotech technology or something like that, depending upon the programs. And those programs are already listed in the catalog, which is released every year by the Erasmus Mundus European Commission. Okay, and you need to know that this is a fully funded scholarship, and they also cover all of your travelings, academic fee, living fees, expenses, and all the stuff that you can think of. So it's a scholarship of 49,000 euros per 2 years, and around 18 to 20,000 euros are the academic fee, and the rest of the money actually goes to your pocket for managing your expenses. So when you open the catalog, you will actually find out all those scholarships that all the programs that are being released by the European Union. So this year 193 programs are available in which you can apply, and if you just see that, you will find out, okay, tourism management, sustainable technologies, morphological phenotyping, and things like that, biomedical engineering. You will see that these are all specialization. These are not some generalized degrees. So what you have to do is keep that in mind. Relevancy is very important. Okay, apply in a program which is very relevant to your master's, to your bachelor degree. The more relevant you are, the better chances you will have for getting selection. So relevancy is very important. Sometimes people ask me, okay, what should I do? My degree is in economics and I want to apply in, let's say, computing now. You can definitely apply. There is no restriction in that, but to be honest, your chances of getting selection actually gets restricted a lot. So I will highly recommend you to apply in a program which is more relevant to your degree in the bachelor's. GRE is also not required. The language test, IELTS, you can give it for increasing your chances of selection, but if you haven't taken it, you can still apply. Okay, but I recommend taking IELTS before applying for the scholarship. So first of all, you have to go and check out the bachelor's degree. You have to put the keyword. You will find out all those programs that are related to that degree. So for example, my degree was in economics, so I will just go and type in the keywords economics and I will just search it. I will find out all the programs that are related to economics somehow. Okay, and you will see that global forestry, maybe you cannot relate to, like, what the hell, how is that related to economics? So welcome to Erasmus Mundus. You will find a combination of courses, programs that you might never thought of. For example, law and economics, culture heritage in global markets, economics of globalization, global development policy, and research and innovation, and stuff like that, that actually have a link with economics. All the degrees will pop up. Now there is no limit of applying to scholarships. You can apply to multiple programs. Previously it was a restriction that you can maximum apply for 3 programs, but now the restriction is put off, and you can apply to the maximum scholarship you want, maximum programs you are interested in. But I recommend applying 3 to 4 programs, because it's not about the how many, it's about how good you are applying, in those programs. So quality over quantity, prefer quality over quantity, and focus on improving your applications for each program, and don't use generalized application for all the programs. So let's say I go into the global development policy, and when you open this, you will actually find out, okay, you will find out the starting date of the application, 1st 9 2020. Like this cycle is actually of the time frame when the scholarship, a European Union actually promised the programs that they will fund the students in their then Erasmus Mundus, and they actually have this time frame in which they do that. So they revise after all those years. They actually then revise, okay, so this program will have no funding after 2025. The European Union will revise if they are funding it to global development policy or not, and they will revise those things, but it's not of your concern. You will actually find out, this actually shows that they have the funding for this year, okay, they can give you the scholarship. So in this you will actually find out, okay, so the actual website of the global development policy, you have to go to the actual website of that, okay, and from that actually you have to apply. The initial information you will actually get it there, okay, the number of universities they are linked with and stuff like that. But for applying and further information, you have to go to their own website. Okay, so now it's open, okay, yeah, so it's open, and they have this, you have to go to all this of website, and they will actually have about section. You can explore the about section. They will actually give you all the details and admission and criterias and funding information. So let's say I just go and criteria and funding, and also I can go to the criteria and requirements. So you see that the call for application of Erasmus Mundus scholarship will open from November 2023 to January. So the application date will open on November, and the last day will be 31st of January. So you cannot apply for that now. So you can actually keep that in mind. You can just point out in calendar that this application will start opening in November, but till then you can actually see there are contents you have to prepare, and you can focus on that in preparing for those things till that time. And you can also see the funding. They will have all the information. Now you can actually got an idea, they actually told you like, okay, travel costs are covered and installation per month you actually get and things like that. Now this is an idea of how to select a program. The purpose of this video wasn't to actually tell you like how to now apply. Obviously that will be a series of this whole segment. I will be telling you in other videos, in the coming videos, how to effectively apply, but the first step was the selection of the program. So I highly recommend you select 3 or 4 relevant programs, and explore their website. And for the SOPs and for the motivation letters, for the recommendation letters, stay tuned to my channel, because I will be uploading those content, and that will help you in securing this scholarship for your own self. So this is all from me for this video. See you in the next video, and let's help you get a scholarship for your own self as well. Till then, take care. Have a good day.